Hi everyone, Nick Smith here. Welcome to this Friday Tech Tip. The topic we're going to be doing today is masking. I'm just going to talk about some of the key features within editing a mask. So the way that we edit masks is obviously to change the points that are there already, and some of them are really obvious where they are. You can see there's a very obvious change in direction here at this corner, so if I pick it up I can drag it and make a change to that particular that point. But some of the other points that go around this radius here are a bit more difficult to see, so we added this grip points feature in to allow us to show these sort of node markings, as I like to call them, as to where the actual points are. So we can right click on a point and pick it up and move it. So right click on a point, pick it up and move it, right click again, and then right click again, and there you can see that the grid has been edited. But sometimes what we need to do is we need to be able to click and then continue with the mask. So if we left click, you can see that I am now adding extra points. I can then right click to bring that down to here to tidy that up, and so on. So yeah, so right click to pick up a point and move it from a point to another, left click to pick up a point, move it, and then to continue with the mask in a specific direction. Hope you found that useful today. If you have any questions, please drop us an email, support@lightingreality.com, or you can follow us on Twitter @lightingreality, or follow us on LinkedIn, Lighting Reality. If you search for Lighting Reality and follow us from there. If you have any questions or you have any topics you want us to cover, please drop us an email, support@lightingreality.com, and we'll get those covered. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.